Hey everyone, here is just a quick start video on your URPOWER essential oil diffuser. Start by removing the cover and add some distilled water. I'm going to fill it up almost to the line here. Add about 10 to 20 drops of your favorite essential oils. I'm using some tea tree oil here to clean the air up a little bit. Turn the cover back to the base. Plug in the unit. Hear a little beep there. We'll turn on the light by hitting it once. Hit the fog button once, and it goes on to 60 minutes. A second time it goes to 120. A third time to 180. And the fourth to leave it on all night, which is what we're going to do. And we'll put it in high mode when it beeps once. And you'll see there's some definitely picked up. And what I like to do is when it gets to a shade I like say this color green here, you can just hit that button and it'll hold that light. Or you can cycle through till you find the one that you like and just leave it be, or turn it off by holding it a little bit longer and turn it back on again so it will cycle. Alright, that'll get you up and going pretty quickly with your new diffuser. Thanks for watching.